Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix call did not answer on Messenger. So if you're experiencing the issue of call not being answered on Messenger, so what you can do is you can try following the troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. The first step is you can always go ahead and check your internet connection before you make a call. So Messenger only operates with Wi-Fi or internet service. You need to make sure whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. For that, you need to go to settings, go to network and internet. Here you'll be able to find whether you're connected to an internet service or not. If not, then you can just turn on the airplane mode for 20 seconds, and after that you can just disable it and you can just exit it from there, and you can just try making a call, and that might be able to solve your issue. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also check your update. For that, you need to go to your Play Store. On the search box, you'll need to type in Messenger. Once you type in Messenger, here you'll be able to see update or open. If you have update, you'll need to update the application, and after updating your application you might be able to fix it. After updating your application, you might also want to restart your app. So for that, you need to close the background application, and that might also be able to help. Another major issue might be the permission. In case if you have not enabled any of the permission, then it might be one of the reasons. For that, you need to long press on your Messenger application, go to app info, and then go to permission. Here you'll need to make sure that you've allowed all of these features. Only then you'll be able to make a call. After updating this might also be able to fix the issue. While you're on this page, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache. If you want to clear storage as well, you can do that, but this might delete all of your data, so be careful while you tap on clear storage. After doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can directly get a help of a support team. So you can just contact the support team and state about the issue, and they might be able to solve your issue all at once. Now remember that technical issue can sometimes be caused by factors beyond your control, so such as server problem on Messenger's end. If that's the case, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved by the Facebook technical team. So in this way, you can fix your Messenger call did not answer issue on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.